face ko. Once a week lang ako gumagamit. Sobra talaga siyang once a week or twice a week, ganyan. 3 times a week. Nagbabalat. Makati ko nagbabalat, guys. Hindi kinakaya ng ko. Ng tolerance ko. Hindi siya kaya. Makati. Pwede sa tukod. Ayan. Care muna. Care mo. Ikaw nga, hindi ko natutulog eh. Skincare muna tayo bago matulog, guys. Hello sa ating mga hello. Hello sa mga hello. Yung mga pinigan. O nagpipinoy-pinoyan lang. Ayan, tago ko itong wallet ko. And then, Surmist. Good evening sa lahat. Good evening, guys. Kamusta kayo? Ayan, late na ako nakapag-live. Nag-live ako sa sa TokTok tsaka sa Shopee. Hello, how are you? Hello, Jessie Bong. Ayan. I'm good. Always good. You look beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think I'm not. I'm not beautiful po. I'm not beautiful po. Maybe someday. Somehow and how ka. Hindi ganun tanong. Please like and share. Like and share, mama. No, I'm not married. Not yet po. Someday. Someday. Hoping, hope ya. Hoping and hope ya tayo. Ayan, hoping I get married someday. Hello sa YouTube viewers. Like and share and subscribe, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Well, some people me still single. It's okay. It's my choice. Ladies' choice. It's my choice, sir. It's my choice. Hi, guys. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you so much. Ayan. Naglilinis na lang ako pagkagising ko bukas.